Alright, this is my 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Now, what I'm having issues with the blinker. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What I noticed was this kept slipping out of the socket on the bulb socket on the headlight lens, this here. So, oh, fucker. Anyways, what I did was I went to a junkyard. I found the piece, took it apart, took the wiring out so I can put this in. And then first thing you do is you take this yellow piece out of it. There's a little tab here, pops up, and that allows you to get these right here and to be able to pull the wires out one by one, or all of them, and then put this one in. That way it snaps in and won't come out. So we'll try one, and it can be a little hard if you don't have the right tooling. It can be a little hard to do because you have to pull it out enough to where it'll slip out. There. See, that's one there. So if you want to make sure, you can do a one by one. Take it out, stick it in. That way you know the wires going exactly the same spot. See? Good deal. And then you go to your next one. Okay, we got this one out. Toss it. Now we can just stick these in there. You know, just make sure they're touching real good. You know, see, they're pretty close enough. So what we'll do is we'll just slide these in. Bam! You hear that snap? Snap, and then you can put this rubber seal just so moisture don't get in there. Bam. Alright, then so when you plug it in, moisture don't get into the socket. And then to make sure those wires don't come out, you got your lock right here. Push that. Bam. This bad boy's ready to go. Okay, so now as you can see, these only go in a certain way. See how it has the groove here, the cut out there. Same thing here, cut out there, the little thing that comes out in that groove. So all you gotta do is just stick it on. Man, this seal here is gonna be a little pain. Normally what I like to do is, you know, grease them up a little bit. You know, put a little bit of all-purpose grease or something that helps slip them in easier. That way you don't chance tearing it up. So let's see if we can get it in this time. I heard the snap on one end. Looks like a bad boy here gonna, there. Bam, that thing ain't nothing getting in there. One bad thing about these trucks are the backlight. The little bulb socket, or the electrical, what do you call those things? It's like a little electrical box, you know, that have the socket you stick the bulbs in. Those go bad quite a bit, and I think it's because of moisture though. Now this bulb is a good bulb, but the problem is sometimes they start melting into the plastic, making a bad connection. So if you can get something, maybe a razor blade in there and lift it, it'll be good. I'm gonna keep the bulb, use it as a extra, and just put this one in instead. See if it works. Good. All right, good deal. Junkyard piece. This thing free. You know, if you're smart, you don't pay for them. You just stick them in your pocket and walk out. I don't recommend that, but that's what you can do. All right, until next time. Get something else for you. I'll get that on the next deal.